Hi friends, you're watching my technical network. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. And today I will show you how you will check your injector, fuel injector at your home with the help of multimeter. Let's start in this video. Firstly, open the engine cover to access the injector. Just remove the engine cover. And you will see the injector. After that, disconnect the switches from the injectors. I have removed all 4 switches from the injectors. Now just set the multimeter to 2000 ohms and connect the 2 probes to terminal of fuel injector and record the reading. The recommended reading for the fuel injector is 12 to 16. It's giving me 15 value. It's okay. Now check the third one. The value is 15. It's okay. And now it's the last one. It's also okay. 14. Let me check again. 14. It's okay. So this was the procedure for checking the fuel injector. Thanks for watching the video.